Some journeys change your destination and some journeys change you. Leh Ladakh Leadership is a journey that will change you. This ride is focusing on self-discovery, on transformation, how you lead the world and how you look at the world with your lens of perception. Every day is a challenge, and in this journey, we will make sure that this challenge is navigated beautifully. Your inner winds versus the external winds. And I'm going to explain you how this entire journey is going to move. Leadership is not only crafted in boardrooms, but they're crafted against the nature, against the heavy terrains, against the twists and turns, against making sure that all the team members are together. So the riders are together. You build strong bonds. You build brotherhood. You understand that people who are competent are not required if you have people who are loyal. If you have people who are loyal, you will be able to build competence in those people. This journey is for entrepreneurs and leaders who intend to craft and change the way they are. This journey will help you to write your life book. Well, I'm going to take you through the itinerary quickly. We're going to go to all those places which are absolutely fantastic in the Garhwal Himalayas. We start from Leh, we go to Nibra, we go to Pangong, we go to Kargil, all those places. But what is the magic? Every day we start with a thought. We listen to an audio, which is a complete audio book. In the evening, we write down an analysis and form one chapter of our life book. There are 16 chapters that you will write in 11 days. And all these 16 chapters are going to be your life book. Does it sound exciting? Okay. Now let me tell you, the last 4 days is going to be at Mahabodhi. Now what is Mahabodhi? Mahabodhi is a fantastic place in Leh where we will conduct Vipassana. We will make sure that everything that we've written down, everything that we've thought through, we learn the mechanics of real forgiving. We learn the mechanics of tolerance. We learn the mechanics of how to visualize things and make sure that we are able to manifest everything that is possible. So 6 days of extreme terrains and ride and 4 days of extreme insight. That's how Leh, Ladakh and leadership has been crafted for every entrepreneur and leader who desires to create a transformation in yourself and the people around you. So if you intend to be a part of this fantastic journey, memorable journey that can help you create your life book, you definitely should be a part of this. I invite you personally, which means with this video, if you feel, okay, I want to know more about it, you can write to me directly or you can call me directly. I and you will have a conversation, and if I believe that you are truly the right candidate for it, then we will onboard you. Right now, we have 10 participants, and that is enough for us. But if there are participants who are like-minded, who are wanting to make that transformation in their life and in the lives of others, then you definitely welcome. Make sure you call me if you're interested. Thank you very much.